Hello YouTubers, today I'm about to show you how to separate your Nokia 5 broken LCD. As you can see, we're using the separating machine. Yeah, this is our Nokia 5 LCD. You can see the screen is badly damaged. And I'm using razor. You are free to use any sharp object you have. As you can see, you have to start from the edge. Well, the screen is already damaged, so it won't be more difficult to separate. As you can see, the screen is coming off the cracker. And you have to be extremely careful to avoid the glasses to pierce into your flesh. Yeah, as you can see, the screen is out now. And if you look closely into the crackers, you'll see some broken particles that are left there, so you have to take them off and clean them. Yeah, before removing the flex, there are a little bit of device that is holding it back, holding it firm to the panel. Yeah, there are screws on the crackers. To gain access to the panel, you must unscrew this. As you can see, we are taking off the dead particles from the crackers. We are doing this in order so that when we are about to replace a new one, it will sit down firmly. As you can see, it's completely out. Yeah, this is the middle button, and that's the flex controlling it from the back, and that's the back and the option key, the flex controlling it. You have to be very careful not to damage that. So in order for you to replace a new one, you have to apply some gum. And this is our new LCD. So we have to apply the gums round. So you're about to fix the flex to the panel. As you can see, we are clicking the metal. The metal is there to hold the click firmly to the panel. As you can see, we are screwing it. That's complete. Now I'm placing the screen on the cracker. And here you have to be very observant in order to, please your customers and give them a network. You don't want your customer coming back and telling you this, that, this. You can see we have to apply a little more force for the gum to be very effective. As you can see, the thing is firm. Yeah, as you can see, the screen is on, and you can see the Android logo. And here is a Nokia logo for the phone. Yeah, this is the Android security pin. Okay, our calibrator is working perfectly, so the customer secured it with a pin which we have no access to.